Two bay windows, corner bay windows with very shallow sides, and we've got a single shutter on the side of the lounge. There's different ways to do bay windows as we've discussed in previous videos. Sometimes we use T-posts, sometimes we just do straight bifolding shutters, and that's what we've done here. Reason being is that you've got Georgian bars on the window here, and we've used those Georgian bars to lose some of the UPVC from outside looking in. So it just creates that 4 nice panels across the window. If you come a little bit closer, you'll see that the sides are very narrow, but with the shutters returning on the left hand side and on the right hand side like that, it's a really nice way of making a nice clean contemporary bay that can give you privacy very easily in the bottom section. So if you're sitting in the lounge with the bottom louvers closed, people can't see in, but you still get light coming in. This is a divider rail here, which again is in front of the UPVC. So it just gives you the opportunity to split your zones, so you can have light coming in at the top or light coming in at the bottom and tops closed. Just lots of variation. With these particular shutters, this is a 76mm louver, which is the next one up from the standard, which is 63mm. Difference between 76 and 63mm practically is that you get fewer louvers in the height. Fewer louvers mean a better view through, easier to clean. They really work better on long, tall windows, the larger louvers, but they work nice on this installation. So there you go, a corner bay with bifolding shutters.